અમે બધા આમંત્રણો મોકલી દીધા હતા. We had sent all the invitation. We had sent all the invitation. મેં આ ફિલ્મ અગાઉ જોઈ હતી. I had watched this movie before. I had watched this movie before. તેણે એ પુસ્તક અગાઉ વાંચી લીધું હતું. She had read that book before. She had read that book before. અમે આ સ્થળે અગાઉ મુલાકાત લીધી હતી. We had visited this palace before. We had visited this palace before. તેમણે આ રમતમાં અગાઉ ભાગ લીધો હતો. They had participated in this game before. They had participated in this game before. તેણે અગાઉ જ આ આઈડિયા આપ્યો હતો. He had already given this idea. He had already given this idea. મમ્મીએ રસોડું સાફ કરી દીધું હતું. Mom had cleaned the kitchen. Mom had cleaned the kitchen. તેમણે બધા વાસણ ધોઈ દીધા હતા. They had washed all the dishes. They had washed all the dishes. મને ઘરે પહોંચતા પહેલા ભોજન બની ગયું હતું. The food had been cooked before I reached home. The food had been cooked before I reached home. તેણે કપડાં ધોઈ લીધા હતા. She had washed the clothes. She had washed the clothes. અમે પહેલા જ દરવાજા બંધ કરી દીધા હતા. We had already locked the doors. We had already locked the doors. મારા મિત્રો જમવા માટે આવી ગયા હતા. My friends had arrived for dinner. My friends had arrived for dinners. તેણે નવો ફોન ખરીદી લીધો હતો. He had bought a new phone. He had bought a new phone. તેણે પરીક્ષામાં સારા ગુણ મેળવ્યા હતા. She had scored good marks in the exam. She had scored good marks in the exam. તેમણે શરતો સ્વીકારી લીધી હતી. They had accepted the terms. They had accepted the terms. અમે પહેલાથી જ સૂઈ ગયા હતા. We had already slept. We had already slept. તેને ટોકન લઈ લીધો હતો. He had taken the token. He had taken the token. મારા ભાઈએ નવો લેપટોપ ખરીદ્યો હતો. My brother had bought a new laptop. My brother had bought a new laptop. હું બસ છોડતા પહેલા સ્ટોપ પર પહોંચ્યો હતો. I had reached the stop before the bus left. I had reached the stop before the bus left. તેણે બધા મિત્રો બોલાવી લીધા હતા. She had invited all the friends. She had invited all the friends. અમે પહેલાથી જ બિલ ભર્યું હતું. We had already paid the bill. We had already paid the bill. તેણે પહેલા જ નિર્ણય લઈ લીધો હતો. He had already made the decision. He had already made the decision. તેમણે પહેલા જ આમંત્રણ સ્વીકારી લીધું હતું. They had already accepted the invitation. They had already accepted the invitation. મેં તેને આ વાત પહેલા જ કહી દીધી હતી. I had already told him this. I had already told him this. તેણે પહેલાથી જ વ્યવસ્થા કરી દીધી હતી. She had already arranged everything. She had already arranged everything. અમે ઘરે જતા પહેલા બાઇક ભરી લીધું હતું. We had refueled the bike before going home. We had refueled the bike before going home. વિડીયો સારો લાગ્યો તો લાઈક કરીને ચેનલને પ્લીઝ સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં અને તમારા મિત્રોને શેર કરવાનું પણ ભૂલતા નહીં. ચાલો મળશું બીજા વિડીયોમાં.